Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're going to do an unboxing video of a backup Twizzler. That's not what we're going to do today. We're going to do unboxing of the Elgato Streamdeck XL Large. This is 32 key shortcuts, and with this machine, the sky's the limit. You can have as many keys as you want. It's not limited to 32 because you have the option to select a key that goes to even more shortcuts. And let's no further ado, let's go do the unboxing of this product. Here's the front of the box. You see the picture of the product right there. Here's the side. I already opened the box to save you some boring stuff. Here's the side. And on the back, here's all the requirements. So make sure you met expectation to install this into your computer, but I don't think the requirement is that big of a deal for this product. Basically what this does is it's just like a keyboard. It's just shortcuts to access all your program shortcuts, or much like your mouse or your keyboard. So it doesn't require a lot. Let's open the box up. In the box, first, we can see a manual. Very simple. Only a couple of pages. Tells you a little bit about the product and how to install the product. I kind of like this design, but it might be a little hard for some people to read. Each to their own. Very simple. That's it. That's the manual. Let's take a look at the rest of the stuff. Here's the main unit. Let's take a look what's inside the box. Inside the box, they give us a power cord to power up the unit. It's a USB 3.0 or 3.1. You can see the blue plastic there. That's at least USB 3.0. And here is a USB-C. This goes into a unit, and this goes into your computer. And we also have some sort of warranty. I mean, do anyone ever read this? No. So I think that's all there is inside the box. Let's get to your main unit. When you open up unit, you're gonna have a Elgato sticker. Okay, let's put that aside. And on top here, we have, on top of unit, we have the Elgato logo. And on the main faceplate, here is the main faceplate. Look at how beautiful that looked on camera. So right now, all the button is blacked out because we haven't powered on the unit yet. Once you plug into your computer, you can see each of this key light up, and you can start putting your customized icon or pre-made icon with a Streamdeck software. So that's the main plate. One last time. Basically, each one of this icon is a LCD. And on the bottom, this unit is rubberized so you don't slip while put this on your desk. I mean, it's pretty tough to push this. So yes, this does indeed works, the rubberized part. And also, this come apart. It's magnetized, as you can see. It's magnetized. So this basically is just a stand for the unit. Here's the back of the unit. Also rubberized, so if you don't want to use a stand, you can use the unit on your desk like this. And it'll move a little bit, but not as much if you use the little stand for it. So I recommend you use the little stand. It's more secure. The unit slide easily. So on the unit itself, you have a port, a USB-C port. That's where you put the cable in. So they supply you cable. That's where you power the cable and put in to your computer. So why would you want to buy this product? Actually, I want to buy this product for streaming purpose, but it's more than that. I can use this for any productivity program such as Microsoft Office or Adobe Creative Suite, Adobe Premiere, just about any program you can think of. So this is way better than your keyboard or your mouse because this have a visual icon instead of just a key, a label key, where if you haven't used that key for a long time, you're gonna forget what that key does and you have to go into program and look at what that key does. But this have a visual icon that you can set into each of this button. So even for a long time you haven't used this button, you can see the visual icon and you know exactly what the key does. So this is what the Stream Deck do. So I recommend the extra large. So you have all this 32 programmable button. They also have the Stream Deck Mini with a less icon, but I recommend this in the long run. It will be worth it for you. This has been an unboxing of the Elgato Streamdeck Extra Large. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below for what other video you want me to do, such as how to set up this unit and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. This is V. Thank you for watching again. Out.